don't know, video is becoming part of what I do. I think it is. Maybe it's part of what everybody does now. So I wanted you to hear that sound. And I wanted to have the artifacts, the salt and the sand and the what's left of the water. And to be able to take this maybe with me on the trip tomorrow. We'll see what it looks like in the morning. But it's fascinating to me, this. I love process work. I love the journey of it, and I love trying to understand it, and I love the inclusions in it. God, I love making art. Do you remember? Like maybe you have, I've been making, but this is so incredibly fun again. I think what I got, it's, I don't know, 11 years ago now, 9 years ago for graduation. And I think the first round, that master's degree was about permission. It was just a permission slip to make work and dive in and feel things and find my way out of the suburbs. And I think it's leading me to Greece, but let's just do one day at a time. Thanks for coming to the studio with me and being on the journey for Symbolic Process too. I like what's happening. Feels like joy.